Alright, I'm going to try and repair this throttle on a 2006 Subaru Outback. If you're having the same problem as a 2138 throttle pedal position sensor code. According to some Subaru forums, the plates in here tend to get corroded or dirty. I'm just going to use the electronics cleaner here. This is what it looks like in there after it's been taken apart. I'll clean these contacts off real good because it looks as though they are connected to these sensors here, or these contacts here. If you look at the contact plate here, there's definitely some soot and some buildup. So I'm going to clean all of that off. Cotton ball definitely came off with some dirt and grime though, so hopefully that helps. Alright, so when you take this apart, be extra careful of these little fork-like contacts on the back side of this. These connect with this plate here, and when I was taking mine apart, I managed to accidentally bend these over on the right. I straightened them with a pair of tweezers and they all seem to be fairly well lined up now, so I think they should be alright. But something to be aware of when disassembling this. So interestingly, this can be adjusted somewhat. I'm not going to fool with that, so I'm just going to base it off of the mark that it left when it was removed, which looks like it was fairly well centered. Well, as you can see, the code has gone away. It is running fine, and I'm hoping that it'll stay that way. I'll try and post a follow-up video a little later down the road and let you know how it worked.